What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send Ethereum from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So, in this case, you might be wondering how do you exactly do so? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically get the address that you want to send to, which in this case is going to be your Phantom Wallet. So go ahead and open up your browser, open up your extension for Phantom Wallet here, and just hit on the receive option. Now, from here, you want to look for Ethereum. So, in this case, the Ethereum wallet here, here's the Ethereum network. So, just keep that in mind. So, go ahead and click on the receive option here. Click on copy. But once you've done that, we are now ready to proceed with our transaction. So, next is you want to open up your Binance account. And at the top right of the screen, go ahead and click on the wallet icon here and choose Spot Wallet. Now, in here, you want to go and choose Withdraw. Now, under withdraw, you want to go ahead and specify the crypto or coin that you want to transfer, which in this case, in my case, is going to be ETH. Let's go ahead and choose this one. And from here, just enter your address. Now, it might automatically select the network itself, but if not, you want to go ahead and click on select network and just make sure that you're using the ETH network here or ERC20. Now from here, indicate the amount that you want to send here, and also keep in mind that you need to have enough balance here to also accommodate the network fees. But in this case, once you provide the withdrawal amount here, just click on withdraw here and confirm the transaction. Now after a few seconds or a minute, you should be able to receive your crypto or coin here in your Phantom wallet. Now, it's really important that you select the correct network here. So if you haven't selected the correct network, this might lead to losing your funds. So make sure to have the correct network. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.